Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make seafood stew peas. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll want about 1 pound of mixed seafood like shrimp, snapper, and mussels. Remember to soak your dried red kidney beans overnight. This significantly reduces cooking time. Also, chop your aromatics, 1 large onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 bell pepper. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process and maximum flavor. Now, let's build our stew's rich flavor base. Drain your soaked kidney beans and boil them in fresh water until they are tender, which usually takes around 45 minutes. While the beans cook, sauté your chopped onions, garlic, and bell peppers in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil until softened. Then, introduce your herbs and spices. A sprig of fresh thyme, 5 pimento berries, and a small piece of Scotch bonnet pepper for that authentic kick. With our base ready, it's time to bring everything together. Pour in 1 can of full-fat coconut milk and 2 cups of vegetable broth, stirring well to combine. Add your tender, cooked kidney beans to the pot and let the stew simmer gently for about 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Finally, gently fold in your mixed seafood during the last 5 minutes of cooking to ensure it's perfectly cooked and not overdone. To finish, taste your delicious seafood stew peas and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Garnish generously with fresh chopped scallions or cilantro for a burst of color and freshness. Serve this hearty stew hot, perhaps with a side of rice or dumplings. It's truly a comforting and flavorful meal. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to those amazing Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.